How to see your history on Instagram. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, head over to your application Instagram. Enter your login credentials and log in into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this home page. Once you're in this page, now you have to click on the search icon and tap on the search bar. It will show you all the history that you have looked for. If you click on see all, it will show you all. If not, go back and head over to your profile. Tap on the three horizontal line at the top right corner of the screen. And then simply, you need to move into your activity. If you move into any of the interactions, it will show you all of your history, your liked pictures, reels, or the things that you have commented, reposted, and also tags. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.